nice to see you again. Now I'm at Anysort booth in Gulfood Manufacturing 2025. Anysort, as the global leader in AI sorting solutions, has brought the first AI super agent color sorter for food sorting, which can lead an efficiency revolution in food sorting industry. Anysort AI Super Agent is an epoch-making breakthrough in AI sorting technology. It builds a quality sorting universe where everything can be sorted. This one behind me is our H-series AI Super Agent color sorter. Through in-depth AI large model training, plus Hawkeye camera technology and PLOF platform technology, enables fast sorting model setup and high capacity, high precision sorting. And what's even more amazing, through the Jingdoyun platform, customers can build their own sorting models and set processing standards so that it can meet all refined processing requirements. And this one next to me is our MK series Super Agent color sorter. This one is super awesome. It's an all-rounder for food-grade processing. It can handle refined sorting of water-containing, oil-containing, and high-dust materials. More than that, with Jiexun Cloud Control 2.0 version production line solution, it can connect with Anysort AI X3 machines to provide customers with customized processing solutions and meet the highest standards of food processing enterprises. Anysort has always stuck to its original vision: let the whole world enjoy the best quality food. We are contributing technological strength to a better life for all humanity.
Anysort,